Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to enlarge text on the Snapchat. So this is the new feature on the Snapchat. Now you can send the larger text to your friends, but how you can do it, watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the left on your profile icon, and you will see a generative profile background or Snapchat plus. So simply, as you can see, it's here a Snapchat chat effect. Simply you have to purchase a Snapchat premium, and once you will purchase the premium, you can easily enjoy the chat effect. You can also enjoy the enlarge text option on your Snapchat. So if you are on free version of the Snapchat, this feature is not available for you. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.